Hello family, amazing people, welcome back. This is Classy Bida Fashion Trends. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to tie this mixed match design of Gele. This is a combination of two Ankara fabrics. Ensure that the fabrics are just two matching colors. Okay, I believe these two fabrics look great together, and that's why I'm combining those two fabrics together for this particular Gele design. This is actually very simple to tie. It's a mixed match style of Gele. I don't know the name for this style, but if you have a name for this style, you can actually drop your comment. You can share with me and let us learn from you. I just believe this is a fashionable design of Gele. I came up with this particular design and I just said I should share with you so that others too can learn from. If you have another idea on how we can tie those two fabrics together, you can drop your comments below. Okay, so I'm just going to fold the edge of this Gele. Remember, the measurement I use for mine in terms of width is 1.62 meters and in terms of length 0.54 meters. Actually, you can use any form of rectangular shape of fabric. Okay, so I'm just gonna place this on my head. Now we have to tie this at the back. Okay, after tying, I'm going to take these two hands to the front of my head. I'll take these two hands forward, okay, and note that when I'm tying this frontal part, I have to make sure that it aligns at the center whereby the other two colors met previously. You can see where that's folding is. I won't fold my Gele at any other point other than that very point where those two colors met previously. So I'm going to take the hem back into this already tied so I'm taking back that hand again, the other side. I'm bringing it out. If your fabric is remaining, you have to keep on repeating the process until you exhaust the hem of your fabric. Okay, so I'm going to do that to the other side as well. Before I do that, I don't know if you observe, I tried to make sure I fold this design or this fabric in more like a pleated form so that it can turn out nice. So I'm taking it back again and I'm going to repeat the same thing I did to the other side. You can see this fabric is not as long as lengthy as that one. So if you have a longer fabric, you just keep on folding until you're able to exhaust part of your fabric. Okay, so you just need to adjust the fabric to your own choice or your taste. Okay, just spread the fabric, spread it and let everything close up. your fabric is wider than mine, it's going to come out bigger. Okay, if you want it to look bigger or more bogus than this, all you need to do is get a fabric which is wider than this. I don't have a name for this design. I only know it's a mismatch style because it's derived as a combination of two fabrics. If you have a special name for this design, you can actually drop this in the comment section. And if you like this video, kindly remember to give a like and also share. Thank you for watching today's video. I appreciate you. Remember to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. Also turn on the bell icon to receive updates whenever we post new